Hazrat Abu Usman states that Hazrat Osama bin Zayd radiyallahu anhu said, the son of one of the Prophet's daughter neared his death. So she sent for him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon dispatched his message. Whatever he Jalla Jalaluhu withdraws and whatever he Jalla Jalaluhu bestows is only for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And there is a calculated term for everything with him. So be patient and hope for a reward. She adjuring him under an oath again sent the message. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon got up, and I as well, Hazrat Muaz bin Jabal, Hazrat Ubay bin Ka'b and Hazrat Ubadah bin Samit radiyallahu anhu got up along with him. When we entered, the baby was handed over to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and his breath was resounding in his chest. I think he said, like an old water skin. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon burst into tears. Hazrat Sa'ad bin Ubadah radiyallahu anhu whereupon said, do you weep? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu shows mercy only to his compassionate bondsman. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7448.